My name's on the shirt, my name's on the door, but it's not just me. TC Hafford Waterproofing means so much more. We trust our team members, and they go in and they do a good job, and the customer sees TC Hafford's, they're expecting a good job. I founded TC Hafford Waterproofing in 1991. Then in 1995, we met up with Basement Systems and we started doing residential. When a customer sees a Basement System product in their home, they not only have the backing of TC Hafford, but the backing of Basement Systems, Contractor Nation.
In 1987, I started taking notice of this basement waterproofing industry, and I noticed that providers at the time were not giving customers what they really wanted.
Larry Janeski literally wrote the book on basement waterproofing. He's kind of the guy who first said, you know, there's better ways to solve these problems. Let's literally create them. And TC Hafford is the exclusive dealer of Basement Systems products in Maine.
You know, we have a network of contractors throughout the country that we help to make them successful, and TC Hafford has been the gold standard. We've been servicing the homeowners in Maine and New Hampshire for decades.
Maine is a coastal state with a ton of shoreline. So the ocean can create some real issues, especially when the ocean gets angry.
There's such a wide variety of homes. We've got brand new construction. We also have homes that were built in, gosh, like the 1800s.
There were situations where it caved the whole basement wall in. And we were able to go in and pull what was left of that wall back and then put up our forms and pour a new wall.
There's over 30,000 basements that we're responsible for. So there's no other company with the experience that we have that's out there.
There's a lot of things that we're doing a little differently than maybe the standard construction company, and they all are very, very important.
It's excellent products, but even more, there's excellent support behind them. We're not just 3 or 4 people in one truck, it's a whole team.
Our crews do our work. We don't subcontract. Our production team are well prepared and have the tools and the knowledge that they need to get this job done.
Most people, when they finish that job, they're like, I hope I never hear from that homeowner again. And that is not us.
We're all here to do the right thing by our customer, and that starts with doing the right thing by each other.
I'm not just a number here. I'm part of this family.
We are the guys that wake up every day and have a passion for what we do and really care about what we do. You have to have happy employees to have happy customers.
Culture at TC Hafford comes from both Larry and Tony because they're real people. They're not just in some ivory tower and saying, we're going to do this and we're going to do that. They make you part of the solution.
I'm proud to have that logo on my shirt. These are my people, this is my town.
When I'm driving down the road and I'm passing all these houses that we've done work in, I'm proud of it.
These are our neighbors' homes that we're working on, and we're going to be there for them.
We've been in business over 30 years. We've made it through all the ups and downs. And moving forward, we want to be right here doing what we do, helping customers.